So, good morning. Just a little background. Yung feeling na ako na alas 8 or alas 9 pa yung pasok. Pero 4 a.m. gising na. Tapos yung kapatid kong 5:30 or dapat 6 nasa hospital na. Pero hindi pa rin lumalabas as of 5:34. The bitch is coming out. Oh my God.
Nasa yung cellphone.
Andito yung cellphone mo. Ready ka na ba?
Get ready with me.
Time check, it's 5:36. May araw na po. Yes, mga kaibigan, tama tayo dyan. And this bitch really has the audacity pa to put on lipstick kahit nakamask naman siya the whole day. I really don't get it why people put on lipstick.
Para may kulay yung mukha.
Nakamask naman sila. I think it's such a waste of... Uy! Morning vlog! May araw na po. So, we're here! Bagalan ko pa ba? So, this is where I usually drop her off in this rampa. And then, see, I'm such reckless driver. Char. Yung wallet ko, pakilabas. Time check, kanina diba 5:34. Ngayon 5:45, andito na kami sa UMC. Alright, give me a kiss. Yuck. Now she's gonna storm off kasi late siya. Ganito, usually, pag nagkakasabay kami, nagising ako.
Ah!